Meet Theodore, your brand new personal doorman. Theodore is a smart lock, the most advanced way to enter your home. Imagine all the times you had trouble finding the key to your door. With Theodore, the door unlocks itself, swift and simple. Our app offers you more than locking and unlocking a door. You can limit user access to a specific timeline, keep an activity log, and other features that come in handy. Theodore can tell you about any uninvited guests who might have entered your home. You are simply notified and can then take appropriate action. Theodore instantly falls in love with any door. It's compact, adaptive, and designed to be universal. We're a team of devoted experts who have been working for 2 years, perfecting your doorman's behavior and appearance. And now, Kickstarter, it's your turn to unlock our project and bring Theodore to life.
Hello Kickstarter, please show us your support by backing our project. Thank you.
How can door hardware make everyday life easier? What if it were simple to install, saving you time and money? Or replaced spare keys with an app? What if you never had to worry whether your kids remembered to lock the door on their way out? Everyday life gets easier thanks to the cutting-edge technology of the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt. Offered in a variety of styles and finishes to complement any decor, the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt installs easily with just a screwdriver, while providing the highest residential security rating. Once installed, the deadbolt pairs easily with your smartphone to provide a variety of access options using a secure connection. Now your smartphone is your key. Our free app makes your Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt easy to set up, manage, and use every day. And if you're away from home and need to lock or unlock your door, Schlage offers a variety of ways to control your smart deadbolt from anywhere. For households that include Android and Apple users, the Schlage Sense Wi-Fi adapter provides easy access to your deadbolt via the Schlage Sense app. You can also pair the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt with a home automation system. Find all of the integration possibilities at schlage.com/sense. At Schlage, we create innovative door hardware that makes everyday life easier. Discover what's possible with the Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt now at schlage.com/sense.
UltraLock UL1 is a perfect smart lock for everyone. Your smart home starts with UltraLock Smart Lock. UltraLock UL1 is solid and compact, but integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies. Thanks to dual battery technology, you can simply replace batteries even from outside. You can use fingerprint, keycard, or smartphone to unlock. UltraLock Bridge allows you to share access and control your UltraLock remotely. It is simple to install with just a screwdriver. UltraLock. Simplify your security.
I'm just a guy standing in front of you, asking you, have you seen my keys? No? And you never will. With Kiwi, your lock opens with a simple passcode. No key needed. Store up to 20 different passcodes depending on your needs. And Kiwi is also Bluetooth operated. It uses low-power Bluetooth to automatically unlock when you approach. And then relock after you've entered. Here's the problem, you might say. What if the power goes out? How will I get inside? Kiwi Smart Lock also comes with a physical key for emergencies and millennial nostalgia. And your doors are protected by ANSI Grade 2 deadbolts, keeping out unwanted guests during a blackout. Even during the purge. And Kiwi keeps a record of everyone who's entered my home, sending push alarms to my cell whenever someone opens my door. Perfect for going out of town. But what will that mean for my guests? This is Tim. Right now, he's at my office, even though I'm not. Since I can control multiple Kiwi locks with a fabulous app, I can let Tim into my office from home. I can also send Tim a one-time passcode, so he can let himself in.
What about long-term guests?
Long-term guests are easy with the Kiwi guest fee. I can schedule an event so that my friends have free access during their stay. My guests can let themselves in, and the key expires after their stay, making it perfect for Airbnb. And when I say that Kiwi is smart, I mean it. Kiwi connects to your other smart appliances and services because it's compatible with Z-Wave. This means that Kiwi connects to home hubs like Alexa and Google Home. Let's say that my friend Tim forgets to lock the door after he leaves. I'll get an alert from my hub and lock my door remotely with the app. Kiwi can be the first appliance to alert your hub at your home. But what if you don't have a hub yet? Then use Wi-Fi to connect your phone to Kiwi. Whichever and whatever way you need Kiwi to be. Kiwi is a smart appliance that works with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Z-Wave. Kiwi, a seriously smart door lock.
Open Sesame. Sesame is what's called a smart lock, which means you can unlock it using your phone as the key. I've tried other smart locks. They're way too big. Their apps are confusing. They take too long to connect. And they're a hassle to install. And I'm pretty handy. But Sesame's different. You can install it in seconds, literally. No unscrewing, no replacing. Sesame has a patented design that fits any latch anywhere in the world. The app is handsome and intuitive. But you can open your door without it, like this. And I can get the optional Wi-Fi access point. It plugs into the wall nearby, so Sesame is always on my home network, and it's linked to the access point with Bluetooth, which keeps it connected while going easy on the batteries. And with no keys, it's easy to let other people in too. I can choose who has access and who doesn't. I get notifications when my lock opens and closes, so I can always know what's going on, no matter where I am. And it's got military-grade encryption. No one's hacking this thing. Open Sesame. Ta-da!